Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of nails that wow, today I've got something special for you. We're talking about the Sally Hansen Insta-Dri Holo-Glow in On the Glow, a nail polish that promises quick drying, a streak-free shine, and a luxurious metallic brown finish with a holographic twist. Now let's get into it and see if this one lives up to the hype. Sally Hansen is known for creating polishes that deliver both performance and style, and the Insta-Dri Holo-Glow collection is no exception. The formula boasts a quick dry finish, and as the name suggests, this one's all about giving your nails a gorgeous, holo-infused glow. With 8 stunning shades in the collection, On the Glow caught my eye for its metallic brown hue that shifts in the light, offering that radiant holographic shine. When I first applied this polish, I was impressed by how smooth it went on. The brush is designed to cover the nail in just 1 or 2 strokes, and with its wide shape, it makes application a breeze, perfect for anyone who's in a rush or doesn't have time for touch-ups. The formula, true to its name, dries incredibly fast, so you can move on with your day without worrying about smudging. No more waiting forever for your nails to dry. Now, how does it hold up in real-world scenarios? I've been testing this polish for the past few days, and I have to say, it really does deliver on the quick dry promise. I applied the first coat, and within seconds, it was ready for the second. The holographic shimmer really comes alive in natural light, giving my nails a multi-dimensional glow that's hard to ignore. On the downside, I did notice that the finish isn't as durable as some higher-end polishes I've used. After a couple of days, I started seeing some chipping, especially around the tips. While this isn't a deal breaker for a quick, on-the-go manicure, it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for something with a bit more staying power. When it comes to value, at its price point, Sally Hansen Insta-Dri Holo-Glow offers a solid option for those looking for an easy-to-use holographic polish without breaking the bank. The product's quick dry formula, ease of use, and beautiful finish are great for anyone who wants to add a pop of color to their nails in a pinch. Is it the most long-lasting? Not quite, but it's a fantastic option for a fun, temporary look. If you're looking for something that rivals this polish in terms of speed but lasts a bit longer, you might want to consider checking out some gel-like formulations or top coats. Brands like Essie or OPI offer options that offer durability along with quick dry capabilities, though they may lack the same holographic shine. Overall, I'd say Sally Hansen Insta-Dri Holo-Glow in On the Glow is a fun and affordable way to add some sparkle to your nails, especially if you're looking for something fast and easy. It's perfect for a weekend mani or a night out when you want your nails to shine in the light. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.